Hey Gorgies, welcome back to my channel. Now I know I look gorgeous, girl. Like, can you tell I look gorgeous? I am late. I know. As y'all know, I live for Miss Kim Kardashian herself. I don't call myself the Kim K of drag for no reason, but today we are gonna dive into the KKW product. So if you wanna check out and get this look, girl, let's get into it. As much as I'm obsessed with Kim Kardashian, I have never tried her stuff. Why? I don't know. I don't know why I've never tried it. And I'm actually very excited today to try it out. Girl, let's just get into this fucking palette. Ooh, let's get into it. Honestly, I will say this palette looked a little bigger on social media than what I saw. Does that matter? No, because I'm gonna love it and I'm gonna want more. I love the packaging. I mean, it's obviously nude. It feels very, very soft. One of my favorite things about palettes too is that when it actually tells you the name of the colors. This is a very Kimora palette. She's very earthy. Now, y'all know, if y'all know Miss Kimora Blac very well, there is no black in here, which I'm just, girl, I need a black. So I'm gonna go ahead and prime my eyes. Lately, I have been very obsessed with the nude stick. I know it's not super blended out, but I'm gonna show you guys a little trick that I kind of just did. One day I was super late for a show and I was like, fuck, I don't have time to fucking sit here with a brush and like really blend it out. So what I did is that I actually covered my eye and I took a beauty blender and I just kind of went like this. Isn't this horrible and lazy? This is like the extra level of lazy. But you know what? It fucking makes sense because now like my primer is so even. If you guys like that beauty blender trick, let me know how it goes. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with colors down the line here. This color is called Calabasas. I feel like it's gonna blend into my nose contour very well, so I'm gonna go ahead and start with that. So what I usually do, you guys, is I actually like to build my crease in the inner corner first. So I usually do like that. And don't worry about being so perfect yet, because you're gonna go back and you're going to actually clean up the inner corner a little bit. And I take it and I really just buff it out into the brow. So it's all about making sure you know your face, structure, so you can kind of go with it, because not everyone's gonna blend out the same. Now let's go ahead and buff it out. And I'm gonna go ahead and just buff it here. And as you guys can see, I tend to brush my shadow upwards. And as you guys know, I'm very big on this. Keep your eyes open. We do not walk around with our eyes closed. Another tip that I actually really live by is not only having a clean brush, but the reason why I love to have a clean brush is because I actually know what colors I have on that brush. And now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna go ahead and dip into this color. This color is called Family. So y'all, so far Nude Sticks liner as a primer and the KKW palette is a fucking yes. Let's go ahead and deepen it a little bit. I feel like I can deepen it a little bit. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna deepen it right here. And then this color is called Gemini. Usually when I do my dark colors, I like to pack on the color versus like blending it out, because I really want to intensify the dark color that I'm using. And then I go back after and I just kind of blend it out with the naked brush. Oh yeah, this is kind of con. So taking one of these brushes, this is the same Anastasia one that has only the family color on it. I'm gonna actually dip into this color. This color is called Dash. Oh, Dash. And I'm just gonna lightly Swiffer it like that. Now, I'm gonna do one of my favorite things is I'm gonna clean it and I'll show you guys why I do this at the end, because it just kind of gives it like a sharper line and you guys know exactly what I'm talking about. I'm gonna go ahead and jump into my Kat Von D. This is actually what I use to kind of cut the crease a little bit and clean it up, and I'm gonna show you guys how it goes on. Okay, so now I'm gonna put a little bit of fade. Fade is like this really pretty, I wanna say like light sand color. And then now let's go ahead and start getting in the shimmer colors. And this one is called Chicago. I'm gonna go ahead and pull another nude stick. This is called Chocolate Magnetic Eye Color. This is kind of the same feel, but just in a different, darker brown color from nude sticks. And I'm just gonna wrap underneath. So far, KKW, I'm obsessed with it. I love it. I mean, the colors, I mean, have I seen this before? Yes, but I mean, I love it. Like, I love browns, and I'm just one of those girls that can never have enough brown palettes. I'm gonna go ahead and intensify with a little bit of black on the edge and pull it out and clean it up, and I'm gonna show you guys what it looks. And let's see the final. This is just a regular black shadow. I'm gonna show you guys. I have black somewhere. So let's go ahead and wipe. I'm just gonna take like a normal makeup wipe, and let's go ahead and just kind of clean. So it's all clean and all ready to go. I'm gonna go ahead and add some eyeliner on top. Okay, so liner is on, everything's ready. So I like to take a little bit of darkness and just kind of. Alright guys, so far the palette, the colors, I love it, I love it, I love it. The color payoff is amazing. Now, I went ahead and bought something else in the store that definitely stood out to me. And this is the KKW Ultra Light Beam and Gloss in the color Iridescent. So in these bags, you get a loose powder and a gloss. That's cute. I mean, I feel like by just looking at this, the top should have like a, I don't know, kind of, it should have a different lid. I don't like the lid to this. Okay, I'm gonna take some of this and I'm just gonna pack it. Now let's go ahead and get into the rest of my makeup. Let me show you guys the final look. Oh, girl, I know. The makeup's on, I look totally different. Now I feel like a full-fledged woman. I mean, my hair, I just put dry shampoo into it, so it's just kind of like whatever. I just kind of want to get back to the palette, talk about the great things about it that I like, some things that I didn't care about, and some things that I'm just kind of like, girl, it's okay, I love it. So the KKW palette is definitely a yes for me. I love it, and not only because I love it, it's from Kim Kardashian herself. The color palette, it's amazing. I love palettes that kind of tell its story, and this is definitely a color palette that I can see everyone use. Girl, I can't stop looking at my eyes, like, do you see the way my crease, the colors, how it just kind of like melts? I'm actually very excited. Kim Kardashian, I love it so much. Let's collaborate. I would love to collaborate with you. Alrighty guys, so let's go ahead and jump into the iridescent gloss and loose powder. I definitely love this. Let's go ahead and do this. Ooh. Oh my god. Oh my god, I love it. I'm gonna go ahead and finish getting ready. Thank you guys so much for tuning in with me and getting ready with me today. Now, I wanna know what you guys think. Have you guys tried out KKW yet? Write in the comments down below. Let me know what are your favorite products. What should I try next? If you guys love what you see, take a print screen right now. I'm just kidding. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. There's for weekly videos every single week. I have tons and tons and tons of stuff coming out, especially the year 2019. It's gonna be insane, and I would just love to share with you guys. Until then, gorgies, I love you. Mwah.